Now, it's important for investors to keep tabs on sector rotation because if you know which sectors are leading the market, that'll improve your ability to select top stocks and enable you to invest in sectors that are outperforming the market. And after a nearly 2-year period of underperforming the market, we're now seeing strength in semiconductor stocks amid expectations for a turnaround in the chip industry cycle. And this strength can be evidenced by the action in the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF SMH. After a long consolidation in 2018 and choppy action in 2019, SMH is trading solidly at all-time highs. It also remains in buy range from a breakout past a 123.23 entry of this cup with handle base here. Now, SMH tracks the MVIS US listed semiconductor index, which holds the most liquid chip stocks based on market cap and trading volume. This strength in chip stocks is a positive development for the overall stock market because the semiconductor market is a key sector of the global economy. Chips play a vital role in many industries, enabling emerging trends from 5G to cloud computing to self-driving cars to AI and the Internet of Things, among others. And within the semiconductor sector, chip equipment makers like Lam Research have been leading the group. LRCX broke out of a base in early September, and after a small run, the stock was able to hold its gains and move sideways for several weeks. Then the stock blasted higher on October 24th in reaction to its quarterly earnings report. The report showed narrowing declines on the top and bottom lines, and the company's outlook was strong. The move put shares more than 20% past its buy point from early September and was accompanied by heavy volume, which indicates strong demand from institutional money managers. Now, group peers KLA, MKS Instruments, and ASML have also been strong performers as of late. And another example of recent strength in the semiconductor sector can be found in Taiwan Semiconductor, which broke out of a cup with handle base several weeks before its latest quarterly report. Now, the stock wobbled a little bit after the report was issued, but shares are now trading at all-time highs, up some 14% from the 44.98 buy point here. And elsewhere in the group, NVIDIA is hitting 11-month highs heading into its quarterly report next month, and Intel surged higher on October 25th after its latest quarterly earnings report, breaking out over a prior resistance level. Now, while breakouts and run-ups across the group are positive, they're not universal. Texas Instruments gapped down on its latest quarterly report, so keep an eye for continued signs of a recovering chip industry cycle and be aware of potential threats to the group from the ongoing U.S. and China trade war and fears for a recession on the horizon.